Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and the Cash App. Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App are widely used platforms, each with unique strengths. Zelle enables fast, fee-free bank transfers within the US, integrating with many banks. It processes payments almost instantly, making it great for straightforward domestic transfers. However, it lacks international support and features like investing or social interaction. Venmo allows peer-to-peer payments with a social feed perfect for sharing expenses. Its user-friendly interface and wide acceptance in small businesses are major advantages. The fees for instant transfers and certain transactions can be a downside for some users. PayPal is a global payment platform with strong protections for business and international use. Its broad acceptance and features like invoicing and merchant services are unrivaled. However, higher fees for transaction and currency conversion may deter casual users. Cash App offers Bitcoin investing, stock trading, and a customizable cash card for spending. It's a flexible platform for personal payments with no fees for standard transactions. The limited international reach and bank integration are its main drawback. In my opinion, Cash App is great for investing, Venmo for social payment, PayPal for global transactions, and Zelle for instant bank-to-bank transfers. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.